MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
Car troubles always seem to come at the worst times. Whether you're on your way to work or running errands, a breakdown can ruin your day. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis is here for you, serving Collierville and Shelby County. Call 901-881-7850. We'll be there to help. And don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast in as-is condition anywhere in U.S., go to CarHelpOut.com/house and get a relief. At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis, we offer a full range of roadside assistance services to get you back on the road. Flat tire changes and repairs, battery jump starts and replacements, lockout assistance, fuel delivery. Our goal is to get you moving again quickly and safely. Concerned about costs? At A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis, we offer straightforward pricing. No hidden fees, just honesty and reliability. And now your automotive motivational car quote of the day. The road ahead is as long as you make it. Keep your car and dreams running smoothly. Why do Collierville drivers trust A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis? Fast response times, weekly and weekend availability. Call us anytime at 901-881-7850. Affordable pricing, no hidden costs. Expert mechanics for any roadside situation. Protect your car with A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis. If you ever find yourself waiting for roadside assistance, here's what to do. Pull over to a safe location and turn on your hazard lights. Call us at 901-881-7850.
MobileMechanicMemphis.com.
If it's safe to do so. Collierville and Shelby County drivers, don't let car troubles ruin your day. Call A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis at 901-881-7850. We're here to keep you moving wherever the road takes you. Reliable, fast, and always here when you need us. A1 Mobile Auto Mechanic Memphis. Call us today. Watch more videos by clicking on the video on the screen right now.